Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Just kind of wrapping up for the day. Just finished about 3, maybe 4 videos, depends. I have to get home and when I start editing. I like to keep them under 15 minutes at all possible, just because they're easier to watch. As a viewer, I find that shorter videos, under 15 minutes, I can watch, if I have an hour, I can watch a lot. I can watch 4 videos at 15 minutes versus 1 video at, an hour. So I keep them there just for ease of viewership. At least that's my thing is, and I always try to make videos that I would watch. So I keep them, keep them short. So, but we'll see how it goes. So what I want to mention is today is October 11th, and Thanksgiving's gonna be coming up, and then after that, the pig of a holiday, Christmas, will be on us like a spider monkey. Although it's already been, of course, I saw Christmas trees mid-October, August. No, yeah, August. Yeah, before Halloween, I already saw Christmas stuff. Ridiculous. So last weekend I didn't get it out at all because the weather, the sky was just gray. It was just dumping rain. While I've done the rainy videos in the past, I've done them on, I've done them before, I really don't enjoy being out in the rain. I know I've gotten, crap for it. Oh, get out in the rain, don't be a puss. Like, well, I am a puss. I like to have fun. Sitting in the rain under a tarp, excuse me, doable. Done it. Not as fun. So there might be a little bit more at the park. There might be, like, I'm already planning on going Wednesday to the park because I want to do a couple of videos. I have a tarp video request that I'm going to be working on. I'm still trying to iron out how I want to do it. Present the best possible information I can, even though I'm no tarp expert. But it was requested, so I always try to fulfill all my requests. So with the weather being foul and the holidays being on, there may be weekends where I'm not able to get out. So that will be a lack of videos. Not that I don't want to make videos, and I have no plans on stopping. When the YouTube stops being fun, that's when the videos will end. But I still enjoy it. I still enjoy the interaction in the comments. I dig all that. It's still a lot of fun. But sometimes with the holidays, stuff just comes up. So I wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up. It's like, hey, it's been a week and no videos for Mark. It's like, what's going on? It's like, well, the weather was crap. I mean, today we were fortunate. It's sunny. I mean, it's still cold. I mean, nice, clear blue sky, but there's frost on the ground and it's kind of chilly. I mean, I'm wearing 3 shirts. I've got a green t-shirt that you see, a long sleeve, underlayer, and then this shirt, which is just a t-shirt with these, it's not cotton, but it's like another material. It's a little bit thicker. So, I'm layered up a little bit. Plus I had the fire to keep me warm, and I've been running around getting firewood and doing other stuff. So I haven't really been cold. I can kind of see my breath. So, the hands are a little, and when I got here my hands were cold, my face was cold, but I'm full of a nice warm meal. Had a couple cups of mocha, coffee, hot chocolate, and then I hit the spot just to suck them down. So I wanted to kind of give a little update. I mean, I am planning on getting to the park to shoot a couple videos this week. And I got some editing to do when I get home. Another video I'm working on. So I'm not going anywhere. It's just, it will be very weather and mood dependent. Also last weekend I went out Sunday. I didn't even feel like going out. I didn't even bother putting it back together. I sat home and I sat on the couch and I just did what I rarely do anymore. I just sat and watched a movie. I was going to go to the movies, but there was nothing out I wanted to see. So you gotta have a little time for yourself too, and come out here in the rain just to sit around and be wet and miserable. It's not my thing. You know, if I had like a little cabin or something, game changer. But I don't, so I have to just do what I have. I have to work with what I've got. So I'm still planning on getting out though when I can. I mean, next week I might have, you know, it might be sunny again. I might have a wild hair, get out and cook something, like I did today. I came out and made lunch. It was a good time. The videos will be up shortly. So I got 2 Canteen Cup cooking videos on the coming up. 2. So they're kind of hand in hand. They both go together, but I decided to make 2 different videos on it. So just watching my fire die down in the embers. I can give you a view. It's not very burning down quite nicely. So as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If I don't make any videos, I hope you guys have a happy holiday. Enjoy your Thanksgiving with your family. Don't eat too much, even though we always do. Walk out with food coma. It's more about hanging out with family though, which I just did yesterday. Went to spend time with my parents because it'd been a couple of weeks since I'd been over. So I felt like I had to go over. Holidays will be here. Yep. 'Tis the season. Alright, peace out. Catch you in the next one.